guys, spend 4th of July with me.
Watch what you'll don't.
So I just got out of the shower, did like a quick little shower. I didn't do my hair because I did my hair a few days ago. And I have to do my, hold on. But before I do my hair and my makeup, let's go make a coffee and get me a banana. Also guys, this is the fit today. I don't have anything red, but I do have blue. So we just got this like baby tee. It says 78 Los Angeles, blue, light blue, and then these like early 2000, I don't know what they're called, but shorts. So yeah. Guys, I got my coffee. I also make Chrissy a coffee. For those of you who don't know, she's my sister. I got my breakfast, a banana. Now we need to do my skincare and makeup. really gets me. Sunscreen. I think I did too much. Oh shit. I think I put too much. Guys, this is the final look. I did my hair. Don't know if you guys can see. Wait, there we go. I got my bracelets, my necklace, and I already showed you guys the outfit. And my shoes, I'm just wearing my Reeboks. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we are currently in Target. This is Chrissy. We got a couple things that we needed. I wanted a bloom. Chrissy had to pick up some gifts, and now we're each finding a snack. Alright guys, so after we went to Target, we came like 30 minutes up, I don't know where, but 30 minutes away to pick up our grandma because we're taking her to Dollar Tree because she needed to go, and we wanted to hang out with her a little bit today because she was in the hospital like about a week ago with some like little issues and stuff like that. Chrissy went inside Dollar Tree with her. Me and Mom right now are working the car. I did have a little malfunction with my hair. See, this one's white. That one's supposed to be like this greenish yellow one, but luckily we found something that I can just use until I get home. So let's go in Dollar Tree. Tree. Okay guys, I just found some Halloween posters. Come on, Chrissy. I know you're gonna get excited about this.
Better be.
See, we got some Halloween posters going on. Corpse Bride, Hello Kitty. Look at that, that's cute. Coraline and The Nightmare Before Christmas. This one. I know you'd get excited. Dude. Hi guys. I feel like I look like a mess. It's like scorching outside. I feel like it's in close to the hundreds still. It's been like this like all week. I feel like that's why I'm sweating. But we're taking out the garbage for our grandmother because she can't. And she has a hard time, so we thought we'd do it. There's Chris.
Got it.
Yeah. And then it's just right down there. Second door. Do we get the, is it like a disposal thing? Yeah. Oh no. It's just trash. Throw it on there. Turn on the light. There you go. Yeah. Now we're gonna go back. There we go. Foot trap. Oh, fine. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna go back. Okay guys, we are back now. And let me just say that was a stressful visit. But we came home, we made a few things. I made this little charcuterie board. I didn't make that, but that was already there. We also made, because I saw a video the other day, TikTok, of pasta salad. And I wanted to make it. So it might not be fancy and blah, blah, blah. But it doesn't, it's not good. But this is pasta salad. Yeah, it might not look appetizing to you guys. But I did want to show you guys a little bit of what, like, some Americans might eat on 4th of July, because I know that I feel like a lot of people who watch me don't live in America, or at least some of the people don't. So it's kind of cool for you guys to see, well, hopefully it is cool for you guys to see what we Americans eat on holidays like 4th of July and stuff like Thanksgiving for some people that don't celebrate it, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, I mean, that's really all that's going on right now. I don't know what I'm going to be doing next. Okay guys, so I just finished cooking everything and I thought I would show you guys what kind of a typical American 4th of July meal would look like, or what foods they might have during like their 4th of July celebration. So I'm going to show you guys right now. You'll most likely see burgers, hot dogs, but we don't get hot dogs. We got sausages this time. This is something we like. I don't know if all Americans do, but it's caramelized onions. We got a fruit tray. I feel like almost every American will have one of these. Deviled eggs. Not all Americans, but maybe half of them. Of course, we made a pasta salad. I feel like that's might be a good staple. I'm not sure if a lot of Americans do. Of course, you got to have ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise. You got our buns and some chips, Lay's chips. We do have snacks. Like, some people bake, we don't. Like, we like baking, but for like summer holidays, we don't. So we got like 4th of July cookies. We also got some brownies. Oh, we got cupcakes as well. We got cupcakes, just vanilla and chocolate. They got little USA rings on them. And then, of course, we got, like, these brownies. They have star sprinkles on them. So, yeah, that's pretty much what an American 4th of July celebration might look like. Right now, me and Chrissy. Hello. Me and Chrissy are chilling, waiting on our mom, because she had to shower before we eat. And right now we're just kind of drinking on little sangrias. Yep. So nothing to get us crazy drunk, just like to have a little bit of fun. Mm-hmm. We also have more. Next. And this is what we bought. Hold that, Chrissy. Sorry guys. So this is the box we bought. It came with 12 bottles with 4 different flavors.
Yes.
So, we're gonna eat here in a minute, and then when it gets a little bit darker, I guess, hopefully we can, because last year we tried to go see fireworks, but I ended up falling asleep, but that's because we had to work last year.
This year we did.
This year we were off, but it's been kind of a day. And we're hoping to go see fireworks later tonight, so we can also show you guys that as well. Okay guys, so I plated the desserts so you guys could see them better, and here they are. So there's the cupcakes, the brownies, and then the star cookies. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, because I feel like I didn't film it good enough for you guys to see. Guys, we made it to the fireworks place. Basically, everybody lines up on the side of the road in the grass. As you can see, there's other cars. And we watched the fireworks from there. Watch out! Everybody move their big heads. Okay. We watched them from over there somewhere.
At the fair.
Somewhere from the fair.
Grwm.
So yeah, we're just waiting. Where's the chips? Scoopy's is here. Don't worry, we covered her ears, guys. She has 2 ear muff things on. So hopefully, and if she gets scared, we'll roll the windows all the way up.
And then we'll step out.
So nobody yell at me in the comments.
Is it pretty? Is it pretty? Is it fireworks?
Alright guys, we are finally home. And as you saw in the clips before, we did watch the fireworks. So that was really cool. And it was nice. Because last year we didn't get to because I fell asleep. And then on our way home, it started thundering. Like, lightning and thundering and stuff like that. And I'm going to insert the clip so you guys can see that. Because that was pretty cool as well. But yeah, I think that they say, like, I don't know if it's a myth or not, but I think they say, like, fireworks causes, like, it to rain and stuff like that because all the smoke and the lights and the fire pew, pew, that go up in the air and all the clouds and all this and that. I think that's what happens. So, that's pretty cool. Hope you guys like my vlog, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye!